Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites and starting the update immediately. Open Settings and go to About Chrome OS so you know the current version. This helps you track progress. Once done, make sure your battery is above 50% or plug in to avoid mid-update shutdowns. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network because updates can be hundreds of megabytes. Now click Check for Updates. This starts the download and tells you if a restart is required, which saves time later. You watch the download and installation sequence while understanding why patience matters. The system downloads files in the background. Do not close the lid or disconnect power because interruptions can corrupt the process. Once download hits 100%, the installer applies changes. Some updates require a restart, which finalizes system files and security patches. If installation stalls, switch to a different Wi-Fi or reboot and try again. Because network hiccups or profile conflicts often block the update pipe, you complete the process by restarting the Chromebook to finalize the update. This step writes new system files and clears temporary data. After reboot, check About Chrome OS to confirm the new version. That verifies success. If the update fails, reboot and retry. If it still fails, sign out and try in guest mode or perform a system reset. As a key tip, backup data to Google Drive before any power wash, because a factory reset erases local files and solves persistent update corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.